New Jersey Governor Chris Christie, a likely presidential contender, on a visit to London. But the focus of his visit quickly switched from foreign policy to a contentious debate over childhood vaccinations, with Christie saying parents should have some measure of choice on the issue. Kentucky Senator Rand Paul, another likely presidential candidate, also weighed in.
I'm not arguing vaccines are a bad idea. I think they're a good thing, but I think the parents should have some input.
Parents who worry about the side effects of vaccines include Barbara Acosta of California.
Kids have such adverse effects to them. You know, if you go online and you read, there's horrific stories.
But public health officials are strongly pushing back in the wake of a measles outbreak. More than 100 cases have been reported in 14 states. Health experts told Congress that parents who refuse to have their kids vaccinated put others at risk. They include Dr. Anthony Fauci.
You have one of the most highly effective vaccines against any virus, and you have a highly contagious disease, measles, that can have serious complications. So to me, it's really a slam dunk.
Likely Democratic presidential frontrunner Hillary Clinton tweeted, "The science is clear, vaccines work." Republican House Speaker John Boehner agreed.
Well, I don't know that we need another law, but I do believe that all children ought to be vaccinated.
As a presidential candidate in 2008, Barack Obama said the science on the safety of vaccinations was inconclusive. But as president, his view has changed, says White House spokesman Josh Earnest.
That the science is clear, and it is irresponsible for people to not get their children vaccinated.
Christie and Paul each said they favor vaccinations, but the vaccine debate is a preview of a spirited and unpredictable Republican Party primary campaign, says Republican strategist Philip Stutz.
We should have a very robust, huge debate. We should put these guys out front and center. We're going to have smart candidates that talk big policy ideas that can change this country in ways that I'm very excited about. And we don't need to restrict that.
A Pew poll last year found 68% of Americans believe vaccinations should be required for all children, while 30% said parents should decide. Jim Malone, VOA News, Washington.